Need to get rid of Bluestacks for good? This step-by-step guide shows you how to safely and completely uninstall Bluestacks from your Windows PC. First, you have to uninstall Bluestacks from Control Panel. Press Windows plus S to search for Control Panel and open it. Go to Programs, then uninstall a program. Find Bluestacks App Player, right-click on it, and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the uninstallation. Step 2. Delete leftover files. Open File Explorer, then go to C, Program Data. Enable hidden items under the View tab if it's not showing. Then look for the Bluestacks folder and delete it. Next, you're going to press Windows plus R, type %temp%, and press Enter. Select all files in the temp folder and delete them. Step 3, which is optional, remove Bluestacks from the registry. This is an advanced step, so be careful when editing the registry. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and open the registry editor. Go to HKey Local Machine, then Software, then Bluestacks. Right-click the Bluestacks folder and delete it for a deeper cleanup. Step 4. Use the official Bluestacks uninstaller tool, which is recommended. Visit the official Bluestacks website and download the Bluestacks uninstaller tool. Run the tool and follow the instructions. Once it says process has been finished, Bluestacks is fully removed from your system. Legal and compliance note. This method is safe and legitimate, as you're uninstalling a program you lawfully installed. It uses built-in Windows tools and official resources, no third-party hacks or cracked software, and 100% YouTube-friendly and copyright compliant. And that's how you completely clean Bluestacks off your PC the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.